I feel like when I have braids like this, I look like Pandora off Baby Boy. Alright, that's enough gloss. Is there ever enough gloss? I don't know. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, it's Jessarina. I came here to basically tell y'all that I lied, okay? In the last video, I said something like, this is my first video, but that wasn't the truth, okay? I had a YouTube channel 8 years ago. No, why am I lying? Again, I can't stop. I made a YouTube channel 11 years ago. This one video in particular was a hit all through my family, mostly because my mother shared it with everyone. But yeah, it was my version of Unforgivable. At the time, I was going to school clear across town, and of course, because we got out of school before my mom got off work, we used to have to catch the bus home. And it was like an hour and a half to 2 hour bus ride every day. And on this bus ride, I would just think of all these things that could happen because, excuse me, real classy. So I would think of all these things that could happen because if you've ever taken a bus in Las Vegas, especially from one side of town to the other, you know that shit gets deep, shit gets real, okay? And I used to just think of all these things that would happen if somebody would come at me sideways. I got out of school one day. This day, the bus ride was particularly annoying. And I just got home, I turned on the camera, and I just started talking shit, like big shit, okay? And I'm gonna let y'all watch. As embarrassing as it is, I'm gonna let y'all watch. And here it is. 3, 2, 1.
What's up? Excuse me. My name is Jessica. Well, people call me Jess. That's not my name. But people call me Jess, so I just be like, huh? But, yeah. Anyway. So one day, I was on my way home. I had to catch the motherfucking bus. But I ain't complaining, because that's just not what I do, you know what I'm saying? So, I got on the bus. This bitch sitting next to me gonna tell me I don't bite. I said, so a bitch. I bet you won't bite. I'll be damned if you're gonna bite me. But yeah. Anyway, so this nigga got on the bus trying to holler. I said, nigga, you can't holler at a married woman. God damn it. And but yeah. Anyway, so I'm riding the bus, and I got off the Lake Mead bus at Martin Luther King, because that's where I gotta get off at. So I went to the Martin Luther King bus stop. There was this bum sitting there asking me for money. I said, nigga, get a job. God damn it. But yeah. So the bus came. I tried to slide my transfer. The bitch gonna tell me it's expired. I need $1.25. I said, well, bitch, give me $1.25, cause I surely ain't got it. But yeah. So this bitch let me on the bus, trying to give me some sympathy or something. So I just sat on the bus, riding the bus home. So when I got home, well, let me tell you this. Before I got home, this bitch on the bus looking at me all up and down. I said, bitch, what is you looking at? She said, oh, I just thought your hair. I said, bitch, don't think my hair is cute. Cute is for puppies. Bitch, I'm bad. So this bitch look at me. I was about to say, I said, bitch, calm your nerves. I ain't got time for all that. So anyway, it was time for this bitch to get off. She got off at Craig. I wanted to get off with her and kick that bitch in her throat. But I didn't, because I had to go home. So I got home. I had Jack in the Box on my bed. I said, who about me is Jack in the Box? But I ate it anyway. Wasn't nobody home to give me Jack in the Box, so I figured it was already there. It wasn't mine, but I ate it anyway. So when my brother got home, he said, where my Jack in the Box? I said, bitch, I don't know what Jack in the Box you talked about. He started getting all emotional. Jess, wait, I said, first of all, Jess is not my name. My name is Jessica. And I might have ate your Jack in the Box. So what, bitch? Unforgivable.
Yeah, so there I was being a complete psychopath. I mean, it's so crazy because that video was like completely just off the top of my head. I just turned on the camera and literally just started talking shit. I was just hella aggressive after catching the bus for like 2 hours. I just spit something out. I was eating grits, so you know how after you eat grits, there's like grits left. In the bio of this video, I said, leave a comment and whatnot. There will be more stuff, so holla. I really planned on making YouTube videos. I love to record myself. I was always taking pictures. There was 419 views on that video. 200 of them were probably from my mother because she thought it was the funniest thing she ever seen in her life. I don't know why I am the way I am, because that is still me deep down inside. I still do very crazy things. I just wanted to come here and be honest with y'all, you know? That was me. It still is me. Thank you for watching. Again, this is Jasmine. Today's my niece's birthday. Happy birthday, Janaya. I have